Hi, Scott Pohl here with On Track Pro Shop. We have 3 great locations in the Twin Cities. Please feel free to stop out and visit us. What we're talking about today is the positive access point, otherwise known as the PAP. Can this be done? Of course it can. Each bowler has their own signature on this. Every bowler has their own PAP. It's unique to themselves. Why do we do this? It's critical to determine the right ball reaction for each bowler. All right, number 1, bowling balls are very expensive. We want you to get the most out of it. How we do this, start with the pro shop operator, watch you throw the ball. We can move forward and figure out the access point. Okay, let's look at the ball here. Number 1, this yellow trace is actually the first revolution of the ball as it goes down the lane. That's going to help me determine how I figure out that positive access point. Okay, hopefully they have what's called an armadillo. We put that on the bowling ball. Okay, just match up the trace line on each one. We go over here. For a right-handed bowler, it's going to be on the right side. Okay, now I have an X on there. What I'm going to do next, put a piece of white tape to signify where that access point is. All right. Let's say, for example, that you don't have an armadillo. That's okay. We can still figure it out. So what we do is we take our track, we put it parallel to our countertop here. So it's perfectly parallel on there, and we look at the top of the ball. Lo and behold, I mark it, and that was where our access point was. Okay? So very important. You can do that way, or you can put it on a spinner, whichever way you want to do. Okay. Next up, we have bowling balls that have a lot of different ball reactions. Okay? For instance, this bowler here has an access point right there. What do we do going forward? Well, we want to figure out the right layouts to give them. Okay? So what I traced here in a little thicker yellow pencil is 3 3/8 from their access point. Okay? So in general, that gives the ball the strongest position available as it goes down the lane. The most flare, most unstable. So if we go and put the pin, say, in this zone where it's shaded past that 3 3/8, that gives the ball a little more length to get down the lane. Vice versa, if we go between the positive point and the 3 3/8 line, in general, it's going to start up a little bit sooner. I'd recommend try a few different layouts. Put the pin up a little high, put it below, put it closer high, closer below. That'll figure out which bowling ball reacts the best for you.